Now this is how we can turn off the data saver on the iPhone. Let's get started. Let me show you exactly how we're going to do this. There are actually more ways to approach this, so let's get into it. So at first we open up the settings and proceed to the cellular section. And as you can see, when I go below, I can see how much data has been used by my data and so on. And if you don't really want to save the data, like the mobile cellular data, you can enable the thing which is called Wi-Fi Assist. And this is going to basically use cellular data when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. So in other words, if you're connected to Wi-Fi and the internet is slow, it will switch to the 5G or LTE data. So if you don't need to save them, you can enable this and you're going to get the best experience. But then when you go back at the top and choose the SIM cards, whichever you have active, you can get inside, and in here you can basically go through the data selection of the plan. So you can tap on the data mode and choose the low data mode, standard, or allow more data on 5G. And that's basically the data saver. So if you have the low data mode, it is designed to push it down really and make sure you use less, and that could potentially make your experience worse while browsing the internet or using some features. So that is something which you probably want to change and allow more data. But that would be all from me. I hope that I was able to explain that. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Just subscribe for more so you don't miss it, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.